My name is Gauri and I'm back again for another session. I'm going to read out something to you. Um, Here it is. Whether we realize it or not, we are thinking most of the time. If you are speaking or listening to someone, you are thinking. If you are reading the newspaper or watching television, you are thinking. When you recall memories from your past, you are thinking. When you are considering something in your future, you are thinking. When you're driving, you're thinking. When you're getting ready in the morning, you are thinking then as well. For many of us, the only time we are not thinking is when we are asleep. However, the forces of attraction are still operating on our last thoughts as we fall asleep. Make your last thoughts before going to sleep good thoughts. What you're thinking now is creating your future life. You create your life with your thoughts because you're always thinking. You are always creating. What you think about the most or focus on most is what will appear as your life. Like all the laws of nature, there is utter perfection in this law. You creating your life. Whatever you sow, you reap. Your thoughts are seeds, and the harvest you reap will depend on the seeds you plant. If you're complaining, the law of attraction will powerfully bring into your life more situations for you to complain about. If you're listening to someone else complain and focusing on that, sympathizing with them, agreeing with them, in that moment you are attracting more situations to yourself to complain about. The law is simply reflecting and giving back to you exactly what you're focusing on with your thoughts. With this powerful knowledge, you can completely change everything, every circumstance and event in your entire life by changing the way you think. Whether you have been aware of your thoughts in the past or not, now you're becoming aware. Right now, with the knowledge of the secret, you are waking up from a deep sleep and becoming aware. Aware of the knowledge, aware of the law, aware of the power you have through your thoughts. Your life is in your hands. No matter where you are now, no matter what has happened in your life, you can begin to consciously choose your thoughts and change your life. There is no such thing as a hopeless situation. Every single circumstance of your life can change. This is a universe of inclusion, not exclusion. Nothing is excluded from the law of attraction. Your life is a mirror of the dominant thoughts you think. All living things on this planet operate through the law of attraction. The difference with humans is that they have a mind that can discern. They can use their free will to choose their thoughts. They have the power to intentionally think and create their entire life with their mind. All of your power to create your life is available right now. Because right now is when you're thinking. If you have some thoughts that will not be beneficial when they manifest, then right now you can change your thinking. You can erase your previous thoughts by replacing them with good thoughts. Time serves you because you can think new thoughts and emit new frequency now. As per this, we have the power to change our life, and whatever thoughts we are giving out, we are attracting more such situations in our life. So we should be focusing on thinking good thoughts. We should not focus on the negative side of life. We all are faced with challenges, and that's not something which is uncommon. Everyone has some kind of stresses in their life, which is understandable, but we have the power to immediately change our thought process if we see ourselves getting into those kind of negative thoughts in any kind of situation. So prolonged thoughts of negativity gives us a stressful, negative kind of life, and more negative situations in our life. So I hope you found this reading session good, and please do leave any comments in case you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer them, and have a good weekend. Thank you very much. I'll see you next time.